This is my 10th session on international finance, wherein I will be discussing about differences between spot and forward rate. So in my previous session, that is in session number 9, I discussed about the meaning of spot and forward rate. So let us discuss what are the main differences between spot and forward rate. Before going for that, let us discuss what do you mean by forward rate quotations. So outright rate, there are two rates, students, outright rate and swap rate. Outright rate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೋಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಔಟ್ರೈಟ್ ರೇಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ವ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೋಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಐದರ್ ಅಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸ್ವ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೇಟ್. ಎ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ರೆಫರ್ಸ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್, ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ರೆಫರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಕಮಾಡಿಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಆರ್ ಎ ಕರೆನ್ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಡೇಟ್. ಆ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಡೇಟಲ್ಲೇ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟು ಮತ್ತು ಪೇಮೆಂಟು ಎರಡೂ ನಡೆದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ 2 business days. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 2 business days. 2 business days ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಮೇಡ್, ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ನಡೆದ ಮೇಲೆ this takes place, that is a spot contract takes place within the 2 business days. Okay, this is called as spot contract. I am repeating, it refers to buying or selling of a commodity or a security or any other currency for settlement on the payment on that spot date, okay, which is normally between the 2 business days after the trade has been made. The price at which this settlement is made is called as what, spot rate. So spot rate andre eno, the price at which the settlement is made. In case of bonds ಆದರೆ the spot rates are calculated by the method of bootstrapping. So bootstrapping ಅಂತ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So that method is used for the purpose of calculating the spot rates in case of what, bonds. This method uses the prices of the securities which are currently trading in the market. So this method, in e method alli they are going to make use of the prices of some securities which are currently trading in the market. Okay, a forward contract is one where contract terms are agreed in present. ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಕರ್ ಆನ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಡೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಎರಡೂ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಡೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. The settlement price of a forward contract is called as what, forward rate. So settlement price of a spot contract is called as spot rate, and settlement price of a forward contract is called as forward rate. Based on the items which are being traded. So ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. ಸೊ ನಾವಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಅದು ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಆಯಿತಾ. ವೈ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ that is the spot prices helps in indicating or it indicates the market expectations of the price. So ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ರೇಟ್ಸ್ can be used to calculate what, forward rates. So forward rates na calculate ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ you make use of spot, SPOT ಅದು spot rates. Forward rates are mainly based on spot rates. That is why forward rates are dependent upon spot rates and they are adjusted to fit what, cost of carriage. So cost of carriage nu ನಾವು calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we make use of this spot rates. It indicates payment of what, interest on loans. Interest on loans pay ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we can make use of this. Forward rate is mainly used for the purpose of hedging in the currency operating markets. Hedging ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. So hedging is nothing but the reducing the risk of various uncertainties which takes place in the foreign trade. So when an investor purchases bonds, he uses what, forward rates to calculate what, certain future values. Future values na ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ they are going to make use of this forward rates. When he buys the bonds for a certain period of time, he expects to get the same result in future. ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಓವರ್ ಎ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. An investor in this case ಅವಾಗ he knows a spot rate, but spot rate ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ, but he does not know his future valuation of the biz. Of course, future is very much uncertain. We cannot predict how much would be the value of those bonds in the future that he might have purchased. Okay, so the future value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ. In these cases, forward rates, what they do, they will equalize the return on its currency that has been invested. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, so whatever amount they have invested, they try to equalize them. Okay, equalize the return. ಆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ on its currency, so that has been invested. ಆವಾಗ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಅವರು they can avoid what losses. So the foreign exchange rate, it depends upon three main instruments, students. That is, first one yadu spot exchange rate, second one domestic interest rate, third one foreign interest rate. Okay, I am repeating, foreign exchange rate, domestic interest rate, foreign interest rate are the three instruments which plays a major role in foreign exchange rate. Whereas forward rates of exchange are usually used by very big firms for carrying out a big transactions. So the main participants in this foreign market or forward market includes ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ commercial banks, brokers, customers of commercial and central banks. So these are the three important big firms who are carrying on big transactions, and that is why they deal with forward rates of exchange. The main participants in spot market are, first one, arbitrageurs, traders, hedgers and speculators. These are the four important participants in spot market. Arbitrageurs andre yaru? That is, it is nothing but a strategy of exploiting price disparity in forex market. Okay, this is one of the important strategy which is used in order to exploit any price disparity, differences in what forex markets. Traders andre, you know, the one who buys and sells. Hedgers andre yaru? These are the person who reduce the risk of uncertainty. And speculators, as you all know, they are the people who are trading a financial instruments which involve higher risk. So we can say that these are the four important, that is, participants in spot market. Now let us move on to the differences between spot contract and forward contract. A spot contract, this differences helps you to be even more clear and have a brief idea or in-depth knowledge about the spot contract and forward contract, students. A spot contract is a contract that involves purchase or sale of a commodity or a security or a currency for immediate delivery and payment on the spot date, which is normally 2 business days after the trade date. ಇದನ್ನಾಗಲೇ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Then what about as forward rate? Forward contract is a contract that involves an agreement of contract terms on the current date, but with the delivery and payment at a specified future date. So contract agreement ಎಲ್ಲ current date ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, but delivery ಮತ್ತು payment will be done on the future date. The spot rate or a spot price is a price quoted for the immediate settlement of the spot contract. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅದು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A forward rate is used to quote a financial transaction that takes place on a future day, and it is the settlement price of a forward contract. So ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು settlement price will be done in the future. Okay, settlement ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ payment. A spot rate cannot be calculated using the forward rate. So spot rate is not dependent upon forward rate, but depending on the security being traded, forward rate can be calculated using spot rate. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Forward rate calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we make use of spot rate, but spot rate is not dependent upon forward rate. The last one, example of spot contract is consumable products, where the investor cannot buy and store these products for a future date. So spot transactionally we make use of consumable products, consumable durable products. Why? Because we cannot store. Okay, but durable goods are the very good example for forward contract, wherein the goods can be bought today at a fixed price and agreed by the parties to be paid in future. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ consumable products, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ spot contract ಅಲ್ಲಿ where the investor cannot buy and store these products for a future date, But whereas in case of forward contract, we make use of what? Durable goods. Okay, so wherein the goods can be brought today at a fixed price and then agreed by the parties to be paid in future. ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿವಸ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೋದು. Okay, so I think you have all understood about the differences between spot and forward contract, students. With this I am going to end my presentation. Okay, thank you.